Hey y'all, we're about to cook some supper. I was going to do that smoked sausage like I told y'all, but when I met my sweet friends at work earlier today, she was on her way back from the beach and brought me some fresh shrimp straight from the Gulf. So Caden's about to peel these and get them ready for me to cook. Thank goodness for that. And I'm gonna start on the orzo pasta. We're gonna do like a butter garlic shrimp over some orzo pasta. And here he is now. He's about to get that ready for us. So my sweet friends who follow me on here came by my office today to meet me, and she brought me this shrimp. But she also had another friend with her. Her name is Shelly, and she has this little business called Colt's Wolf. One of the things in here that I'm most excited about is a charcuterie board for Sophie and Toby. She makes all these healthy dog treats and natural medicines for dogs. Look at that. What do you think? You can't call her from another room. She can't hear you. She can't hardly hear or see anymore. See how we like it? Look. We got all kinds of things on here. You want to see? Here. Well, I can't eat it for you. Oh, here. Oh, Miss Priss. Okay.
She did mine.
How's it coming, Toby? I think you like it. Mr. Linder just wants to cuddle all of them. This is the orzo that I bought. It's 1 pound, but I'm probably only going to do about half the box. My orzo's done, so I'm going to put some butter in it just so it don't get sticky, you know, like pasta does. Y'all ever seen an orzo before? It's kind of new to me, but I like it. I'm going to put just a little bit of salt in it. In my skillet, I'm going to put about a half stick of butter. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and some pepper, some granulated garlic, and some Hal's Cajun walnuts. My butter's melted. You don't want to brown it or cook it really. You just want to melt it. So you're going to turn the heat down a little. In the butter, you're going to put some more garlic. You can use garlic cloves or minced garlic or garlic or whatever. But I'm just using granulated garlic. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, pepper, Cajun walnuts in that too. I'm also going to splash some lemon juice in it. I don't have any lemons, so I'm using this kind of lemon juice.
Limon.
Just give that just a minute or two for the flavors to come together. Then we're going to put the shrimp in. Stir them around, make sure they all get coated, and then cook them for 2 or 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of Hal's seafood oil. We're going to use the little plates tonight. Start with some orzo on bottom, then some shrimp. Then you're going to want some of the juice. That's what my plate looks like. Let's give it a taste test while he fixes his plate. I can't wait for you to taste this.
My time to try. That's really good.
Y'all gotta get you some shrimp and try this. I loved it. Love you. Stay classy.